Hi friends, welcome to Whizbusters. I'm Emma and we're going to learn how to extract the last name or text after a space in a string using the write function in Google Sheets or Excel. By the end of this video, you'll get a function you can copy and save in your library to use later whenever you get a problem like this. So before we begin, don't miss out on the regularly published content. So hit the subscribe button to get more videos like this and hit the bell to get notifications of the latest videos out. We have a table here with the names of actors from the Avengers movies, and we want to extract the last names, that is all the characters after the space. To extract the text after a space, we need to use the three functions: 1. the write function, 2. the LEN function, and 3. the FIND function. Recall that write function extracts the last n number of characters from a string. Firstly, we need to tell Google Sheets from which text we want to extract characters. In this case, the text is in this cell, so click this cell to reference the text. Place your comma. Next, how many characters do we want to extract? So let's count. Hemsworth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 characters, the last 9 characters. So this parameter is 9. We put 9 there. And notice that it works for Johansson, but for Elizabeth Olsen, there's some of the first name, a space, and some of the last name. So notice that when we used the write function here, let's type in the write function, we would put write and open brackets, we would reference B7, and here we had put 9 because it's the last 9 characters, and we closed it. This one we also did 9, so write B8, we referenced B8, and 9 was the number of characters in Johansson, the last 9. But here it should be Olsen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It should be 5. So let's take a look. If we put 5 there, we did get Olsen. Renner 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If we put 6 here, we'll get Renner, and so on. So here it should be write B9, and we should put 5, and here we put 6. So we referenced B10 and put 6, the last 6 characters. Now, of course, we don't want to do this manually, so we want to tell Google Sheets to do this, to give us all the letters after the space. So, you guessed it, we would have to use some more functions. So we can use the LEN function and the FIND functions to find the difference between the length of the string and the position of the space in the cell. So the LEN function is simple. Let's do the LEN function. If we did the LEN function, we will be telling Google which text we want to find the length of, and we want to find the length of the text in this cell. So we reference this cell, press enter, let's autofill. So there are 15 characters in this cell, 18, 15, and 13. We also can use the FIND function to find the position of the space. So if we use the FIND function to find the position of the space, we will have 3 parameters here. We're searching for a space, so we want to put the space there. For the text to search, we want to find the space in this text, B7, and the starting position is 1, so we put 1. That's autofill. So here we can see that the space is in the 6th position, 9th position, 10th position, and 7th position. So 5, 6. Jeremy 3 and 3 is 6, 7, so the space is there. So now let us find the difference between the length and the position of the space. So that is the length of the string minus the position of the space will give us these here. So 15 minus 6 gives us 9, 18 minus 9 gives us 9, 15 minus 10 is equal to 5, 13 minus 7 is equal to 6. So let's compare this column with our second parameter here. 9 compared to the second parameter 9, 9 compared to 9. So these match up. So therefore, we can take this formula and replace it in the second parameter for our right formula here. So let's copy this formula. Well, we're not going to put F7 and G7. What we will do is we're going to take the len formula minus the find formula, length of this text, or len B7, and we find the space. So we find a space from this cell, starting from the first, and we press enter. We did get 9. If we drop this down, we continue to get these numbers. So let's copy this function, copy, and let's place it as the second parameter. We paste into here, paste, there we go, press enter, and we get Hemsworth. If we drag that down, we get the last names. So as a quick recap, the formula to extract the last name or text after a space using the right function is this. This is the first parameter in the right function, and this is the second parameter in the right function. You can replace the cells B7 for your specific cell which references the text. Don't forget to put an equal sign before the function name. Thank you for watching and learning, and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Hit the subscribe button to get more videos like this, and hit the bell to get notifications of the latest videos out. See you in the next video.